Wild Horses National Monument, and it's very, very beautiful. And if you look over here, I don't know if you can see it because I don't know what this, I'm really close. The zoom is like, if you look way over there, you can see horses on top of the mesa. They're not real horses, they're horse statues.